Hello, in this lesson we learn how to break a line. First, let me change my pointer style. For example, this one. And I make sure that nearest is on, check mark. And in draw, I select multiple point, for example, and hover my mouse on here if I want to break on here, from here. Right now, this is one line. As you can see, when I click on that, it is one line. But I want to break it at this point. So go to modify, press break at point, and select the object. Object is this line. Specify break point. Here, make sure that in OSnap your node is on, check mark. So this one and enter. Now escape. When you click, you can see that it's break at this point. See? You can do this with line too. So for example, intersect, I turn off the auto, so like this. I want to break this line again, one more time. So first, go to break at point, select the object. Object is this line, and specify breakpoint. Breakpoint in intersection is the snapping key, because here intersection is check mark, and enter. Now escape. As you can see, if I hover my mouse, I break that again one more time. I can, for example, delete this. Enjoy. Good luck.